Hi everyone, I'm here to share with you some of the plant pots and plants that I bought from Ikea, and they're all from Ikea. These ones I bought yesterday, as well as this one over here. This is a Himalaya mix. It was only $3.99, and I bought this plant pot, a succulent, this plant pot, terracotta pot with these gorgeous tulips. Those tulips weren't there yesterday, actually. It sprung up this morning. This aloe succulent, I believe, is it an aloe succulent? Yeah, it's an actual aloe succulent, and it's direct sunlight. It gives you all the instructions on the paper. You just really have to read it. Sometimes if you put it away from the sunlight, it's gonna probably die, and it tells you exactly how much water to put, which is not much, just a little bit. So those were $3.99. The succulent as well. This aloe plant was $3.99 as well. I've had this for a long time, and I don't know, like, I've been putting it in the sunlight, barely watering it, which the instruction says, and I don't know, it's just dying, but some are growing still. I love this plant holder. It was $7.99 only. I have another plant holder, a plant stand. It was $20. I think it's a real wood, that's why. Plant pot from Ikea. This plant, I don't know what's happening with it, but another succulent, another pot that I repainted myself in with acrylic paint. Black and white paint turns into gray. Here's a gorgeous succulent plant, and this plant pot was from Ikea as well. I love the color. Here's another one, and there's the last one there. Oh, well, actually it's not the last one. I have this one. It's a fake one. There you go. No sunlight or anything required, and this is just golden plant pot. And there you go. Those are some of the plants that I bought from Ikea. I hope you guys liked and enjoy, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.